For all of you McDonald's collectors out there, I'm going to be doing a whole series on McDonald's items, starting with this here. Now, if you have McDonald's items, some of these things by themselves aren't worth enough to try and sell on things like eBay. Like, for example, these aprons here. There's a few aprons, couple aprons here. Even some plasticware and straws, crayons, all these kinds of things are worth money, so it's best to hang on to them and sell them as a lot instead of one-offs if you have a lot, because that way you can combine all of these together for higher value and save on shipping. But this is how you can move vintage items that on their own it might not be worth selling, but for example, a lot of these things are from the very early 80s. Cassette tapes, those yellow cups in the background, even these aprons, 1993, those ones. But if you combine it all, then it will be of value to somebody looking for them. So I've got a lot more McDonald's items I'm going to be listing and valuing and just showing you how to move them. So if you want more videos like this, click subscribe. Give this video a like. I would appreciate it very much. And if you want to actually buy these items, then you can click on the link in the description. While the listing is active, I'll have it there, and then I'll have it update to a general listing search result on eBay. So here we have the aprons. This is a Fisher-Price Happy Meal box, a early 80s Hamburglar mug, a 1975, I believe, wastebasket bank. Yeah, 1975. These are 1980, just 1980 cups. One is Ronald, the Hamburglar, and the other one is Ronald. And I have the Mac Tonight. That was late 80s. I remember that when I was delivering the San Jose Mercury newspaper. I remember that ad coming out. These are vinyl Happy Meal bags. Got a few of those. And I honestly don't know what these are. So if you know what these are, let me know in the comment section below. They're, surprise bags, but I don't know exactly what they're from. And then some Travel Tunes cassette tapes and some crayons. They are opened, as you can see, somebody colored on them. Then we have a Christmas ornament. Interesting. And then this is very modern. This is 2002. But it's still a plushy Ronald that is going to be included. So that is what you get in all of this. Thanks for watching. See you around.